In this video, I'll review of pTron Bassbuds. It has 2x 50 mAh Li polymer battery, 10 wireless range, voice assistant support, 400 mAh. Compact and portable charging case, micro USB charging cable provided, up to 2 to 3 charge cycles. It has Bluetooth 5.0. I've been using these Bassbuds for around 2 months now, and have a full observation. Sound quality, it is pretty damn good. It is correctly named the Bassbuds because the bass is truly something nice here. I was pleasantly surprised with it. The highs are a bit on the muted ace though. The sound isn't as fuller as I had hoped it to be. But at least the bass is nice. Is this value for money? Yes, these truly are value for money. Battery backup is decent, but rather low if you listen at full volume and songs with a high amount of bass. Well, if you want to try a decent, true wireless stereo, go for this one. Due to the cost, you get a fully plastic earbud that fits in really good. Make sure to change earbud tips if you are uncomfortable. It's lightweight, so for long seasons you want to feel them in your ears. So the noise cancellation is okay, not so much good, but can't complain about it at this price point. Main thing about this Bassbuds is bass. That's more than enough to enjoy music, and sound quality is decent enough to enjoy movies and music. So if you love bass, go for it. If you are a pro music listener, then don't.